welcome to another session of Vedic Maths. Today the topic is doubling. Why doubling? Because doubling is related to division in Vedic Maths. So let's see how do we teach children how to double the numbers. So simply, first I take all the numbers. I understand the concept of what is doubling. Right? If children are not able to double the number, tell them you have to multiply that number by 2. So simply doubling is nothing but multiplication by 2. So 1 double is 2. This is the general mistake many people do. 1 ka double 1, so that's wrong. You have to double the number as 2. The double of 2 is 4. The double of 3 is 6. The double of 4 is 8. The double of 5 is 10. The double of 6 is 12. The double of 7 is 14. The double of 8 is 16. And the double of 9 is 18. Now, how do we apply for this larger numbers when we have? So once this concept is clear, let's start children with the number of 21. If you can see the number 21 are non-carry numbers, very simple number. So we can enhance the skills by just helping them throughout this. So double of 1 goes to 2. Double of 2 goes to 4. Again, these are non-carry numbers. Let's double this again. The 2 double is 4. The 4 double is 8. The double of 4 is 8 and the double of 8 is 16. So you can see the numbers have changed. Now you will have carryovers for this number. So how do we replicate the carryovers number with simple form? Double of 8 is 16. So I write 6 here and I take a dot here. Whenever there is a dot, you will add it after doubling the number. Just remember, add after doubling the number. So 6 double is 12. Plus 1, that is 13. 13. When you have 13, you write the units place in your answer and the 1 is carried. You will always be carrying 1 because the highest digit is 9 and it has 18. It has 1 in the tens place. So always 1 is supposed to be carried out. Now 1 double is 2 plus 1 is 3. Again you can see there is a change. 6 double is 12. 1 is carried over here. 3 double is 6 plus 1, that is 7. 3 double is 6. Now the carryovers have changed. 2 double is 4. 7 double is 14. 1 is carried. 6 double is 12 plus 1, that is 13. So this is the way you will be following the concept of doubling. And this will be useful in division by 5, 50, 25.